In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and forget to take a moment to appreciate the natural beauty around us. However, research shows that spending time in nature can have a positive impact on our physical and mental well-being. We'll explore the benefits of immersing yourself in nature and how you can make it a part of your daily routine. In this section, we'll delve into the research that shows how being surrounded by nature can improve our mental and physical health. We'll discuss the benefits of exposure to natural light, fresh air, and green spaces, and how they can help reduce stress and boost mood. Here, we'll focus on the visual aspects of nature and how they can improve our well-being. We'll explore the calming effect of natural colors and how the patterns found in nature can help reduce anxiety and improve focus. We'll also discuss the importance of incorporating natural elements into our living spaces, such as plants and natural materials. In this section, we'll provide practical tips for incorporating nature into your daily routine. We'll suggest outdoor activities such as hiking, gardening, and picnics, and provide ideas for bringing nature indoors, such as decorating with natural materials and creating a green space in your home or office. Finally, we'll discuss the importance of being mindful while immersing yourself in nature. We'll suggest techniques for being fully present in the moment and truly experiencing the beauty of nature, such as mindful breathing and meditation. In conclusion, surrounding yourself with nature can have a profound impact on your well-being. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving mood and focus, the benefits of spending time in nature are clear. By incorporating natural elements into your daily routine and being mindful of your surroundings, you can enjoy the beauty of nature and reap its many rewards. So go ahead, take a walk in the park, tend to your garden, or simply sit and enjoy the view. Your mind and body will thank you.